Here are some photos taken by the vivo X100 Pro's Periscope lens. Just check out the incredible detail in these shots. We can even see the hair on the bee's crystal clear under the sunshine. If we zoom in on the photo, we can observe the bee gathering nectar from the flower. You should know these photos were not taken in some macro mode. They were captured with a 10x zoom from Periscope lens on the vivo X100 Pro. And it's not even optic zoom, but as you can see, it still maintains excellent sharpness and details. Now, let's talk about its max 4.3x optic zoom from Periscope lens. Certified by Zeiss APL, I would say it's legit. Just check out all these photos. Along the way, I've learned several things. First, the lens analysis is superb. All the details are well preserved. This is my first time seeing the minions wearing fleece jackets. Check out these patterns on the jacket. Most importantly for me, it brings a real bokeh effect. It's amazing to see the gap between the X100 Pro and the dedicated camera narrowing. Second is the color performance. Just check out all these rich color photos. The Periscope lens nailed it. The colors are vibrant but not overly dazzling and saturated. It registers true to life color, pleasing to our eyes whether at night or in daylight. Even for night photos, they remain clean without obvious annoying noise. Here are more photos taken by this Periscope lens. If you're a cat lover, then this phone would be your best sidekick. Check out all these vivid details. One photo that really impressed me is this backlit cat photo. Normally, it's very challenging for phones to handle such scenarios, but the X100 Pro nailed it with great exposure control and image quality. One thing that impresses me is the consistent performance of all the lenses. Here I put the telephoto, wide and ultra-wide together. You can see the colors are really consistent. Now let me share more main camera photos. Good, aren't they? And here are some 2x zoom photos. Nowadays, every phone has its own unique features, or what do we call them, useless gimmicks? Because they may look cool at first, but may not be practical in your daily lives. Vivo has one as well. It has something called a sun option, allowing you to take pictures of the setting sun without blowing out everything else in the frame. We tried this feature and it seems not bad. It has excellent exposure control when capturing the sunset. Like for this photo, when zooming in, we can even see the tower crane. Seems this is funny and not a gimmick feature, but can be practical to some users. This could be a useful feature, as here are some sunset photos by iPhone. As you can see, the results are not comparable to what Vivo has to offer. Besides that, the X100 Pro has 3 modes to choose from: Sharp, Texture, and Zeiss Natural Color. Here we took a few and compared them to other flagship phones. Let me know which one is your favorite. Speaking of which, I will do a bunch of detailed camera comparisons with Xiaomi 14 Pro or Mate 60 Pro once I get my hands on the vivo X100 Pro. The phone is on the way. My friend over at GitHub has ordered one for me from the official Vivo site, but it will be several days away. But that will be the official unit, and I will give you my real honest opinions. And definitely you can leave what you want to know down in the comments. All the photos in this video are authorized by my friend Eva. Please subscribe to her channel, Eva's Tech Life. I know there's a lot to be tested, like portrait photos with human subjects, or for me, the most important thing is the video shooting capabilities. And of course, gaming performance or others. But all this will be in my next full review. This is just first look. Alright, this is the video. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one.